Good morning, guys. Rook has already had his breakfast, but I have not. So I'm gonna get my bagel going. Oh, you are on my bread box right now. Yeah, normally I eat breakfast with Rook, but I don't know, I was just kind of puttering around the house doing stuff, so I didn't. He's currently in his room playing. Today is the last sunny day for a while. We had this massive heat wave where I think on the weekend it was like 25 degrees. So nice. And now it's slowly starting to drop, which is fine. We shouldn't be getting that kind of weather in April anyways. But next week is basically rain all week, just in time for my birthday. Wonderful. This video will be posted on my birthday. How fun is that? Yeah, I don't know. I don't feel as good about birthdays as I used to. I don't know if it's just because I'm freaking old now. I'm turning 26. But last year was the first year where I wasn't really excited about my birthday. And I wasn't sure if that was because of COVID. And this year I just feel the same. Like I just don't put any weight on it. I just am waiting for it to kind of pass by. I don't know. Whatever. Anyway, so because it's the last nice day, I want to get outside and enjoy the sun, but also I have stuff to do around the house, so we'll see. Yesterday I had full intentions on going outside and I ended up working all day, so I don't want to do that again. So yeah, I'm going to wait for my bagel to finish toasting and I will get back to you after I'm done eating. Okay, let's see if I can do this one-handed. Probably not. I am going to water my plants outside. And I also wanted to show you how everything has changed in just a week. The sun coming out really just put so much into bloom, which is very exciting, but I'm worried my tulips aren't gonna last very long because we had this big heat wave and then it's supposed to rain next week. I feel like all the petals are gonna fall off, but that's fine. I'm enjoying it while they last, and also my annuals will stick around. So anyways, let's water the plants. All right, everyone say hello to Rook. Welcome to the vlog, buddy. He just fell down and hit his head a little bit, so he's a little upset. Okay, let's talk. Let me turn this a little bit. So it is nearing the end of April and we move in to our new place at the very beginning of June. That means we're coming up on 1 month from the move. And what I've been trying to do is I want to get the house deep cleaned before we get to that 1 month before the move-in, so that when we actually do move, it's just like a light clean, less work, just touching up kind of thing. I just want to be able to make my life as easy as possible, you know? I've been holding off packing for the most part because I just don't want to live in boxes. It's not like I have a garage to put all of our boxes in. The boxes are going to be just everywhere in this house, so I don't want to live in chaos, but I still want to get some packing done, just things I know for a fact we're not going to use, and I can store boxes like in my closet or in this corner of the room over here. That's where we have the bookshelf that Rook is constantly trying to get into, so honestly it's more convenient if we have boxes there preventing him from getting in. So I'm going to do a little bit of packing today. I'm probably going to do some deep cleaning. It's also been really nice. What I've done so far is I've fully cleaned out the fridge and freezer and got rid of food that is expired or we're not gonna use, that kind of thing. I've deep cleaned the oven, which, okay, I'm gonna sound kind of stupid, but I didn't know that the clean function on an oven actually worked. It didn't make a lot of sense to me. Like, how can you clean your oven by just running the oven? But that thing incinerates everything and turns it into ash, and then you just wipe it out. And it was unbelievable. I'm very impressed. So the oven is cleaned, the fridge is cleaned, I deep cleaned the bathroom, and then the other thing I was doing was pulling things out of my cabinets in the kitchen and wiping down the cabinets, but at the same time I was going through everything I have and decluttering, which is obviously good, but also it gives me that peace knowing that everything in my kitchen I know I'm gonna be wanting to take to the new house. I'm not gonna have to declutter while unpacking. It definitely is extra work pulling everything out and putting it back in, but I have the time right now, so why not? I haven't done it with every cabinet yet, so that might be something I'll get into today, but we'll see. We'll see how the day goes. Rook is getting a little sleepy. It's almost nap time. Yesterday's naps were so weird. He took only a half-hour nap in the morning and then took a 2.5-hour nap in the afternoon. It was crazy. So hopefully we have normal naps today, because yesterday I was very confused by our schedule for the day. Okay, so I think I'm going to nurse Rook, put him down to bed, and then we will get to work. Okay, Rook's down to sleep. Hopefully we will get a long nap out of him. Now I'm gonna work on this corner. So these are all empty boxes. If you didn't know, you don't have to buy moving boxes. A lot of stores, if you call them and ask if they have cardboard boxes, they'll save them and give them to you. Specifically where I live, I go to M&M meat shops because they get all their food in a variety of sizes of boxes. So that's a hack. I don't know if people already know that, but if you didn't know that, that was for you. So the plan is to store away all of these books. We're not going to need them in the next month, and then I can fill this corner with boxes. The one thing I didn't expect though is I have this box already filled, and I had to put tape on the edge here because Rook was literally eating the cardboard box, and he's still trying to get at other areas. So that's great. Anyways, let's get this packed. Feels pretty surreal that we're moving. I don't know, I'm packing boxes and I still don't really feel like we're leaving. Okay, all the books are packed. What else can I start storing? Maybe stuff in the kitchen. was a good one, hey? Yeah. Okay, that was actually perfect timing. I finished packing everything that I wanted to pack, I think. Like, I used up all the boxes. The one box where I put the swing tops isn't full, so that one will get filled later. But it's 12 o'clock, so I'm gonna make myself and Rook some lunch. I'm actually quite hungry, so I'm gonna try and eat something substantial. Also, I said I was gonna do some deep cleaning and ended up just packing. I don't know. I'll probably do some cleaning after we eat. Okay, we're gonna do a leftover pancake for Rook. I've recently been just using the tray for meals, not the plate, because normally the food just gets everywhere anyways. The reason I started with the plate was because it gave a lip for Rook to pick things up easier when he only had the palmer grasp. Now he can pick up anything with his fingers, so it's just less dishes to wash, you know? Some blueberries, your favorite, dude. Here you go. Here you go. Lunchtime. I'm gonna make myself some fries. I just made some homemade mayo yesterday, so I wanna use it up. Okay, lunch is done. Rook is just standing up against the chair that the camera's on right now, so we're gonna get some wiggly footage. But I want to deep clean this cabinet here. Rook has not been in this cabinet before, so he's probably gonna get a hoot out of it, but we'll see how this goes. Whoa! What's going in here, buddy? Buddy, I feel like we've cleaned everything. I definitely wasn't thinking about it and realized that this was the last cabinet to clean. Yeah, everything else will just get touched up when we are actually leaving. Do you want to go play outside? Get some time in the sun? Yeah? I'm very much in a cleaning mood right now, so I think I'm gonna keep going, and I'm gonna vacuum the floor so that when Rook goes down for his next nap, I can mop without worrying about him slipping everywhere. Something else that I really need to do is switch out Rook's toys. I try and do the whole rotation thing. It's kind of hard when you don't have like a place to display the toys. It's more of like what's on the ground and what isn't. So I'm gonna try and find all of them. They're scattered over the living room, and switch them out with some that are in the basket in his playroom. Okay, I could keep cleaning, but like I said earlier, this is the last sunny day for a while, so I think I'm just gonna go sit outside and read a book. And I'm very excited about that decision. Okay, Rook woke up from his nap. Here he is. He had a hour and 45-minute nap, so Very good. Thank you for that. Josh is home. He's just in the shower. I don't know if you can hear that, but I'm going to end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed following me today. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!